To use color detection with Viam, all you need is a live machine. For this demo, I'm just going to use my MacBook. Head to the Configure Builder tab and begin to configure your first component, a webcam. This will be our camera stream where we will be detecting colors. Set your attribute, which will be the video path. Right now I'm just selecting my FaceTime camera on my MacBook. And the next thing you can configure is the Vision service itself. Head to Services, select Vision, and select our built-in color detector. Name it whatever you want, and you can set your settings here. Right now, I want to detect the can I'm drinking out of, which is purple. And for our hue tolerance, let's keep it low so it selects exactly the color I want. And for the segment size, the ideal range would be between 100 and 500. Make sure to select Webcam for your depends on so it knows to detect in this camera stream. Let's configure another camera, but this time a transform camera. This will be the overlay that tells you where the color detection is happening in the image. Here you can select depends on so we know it comes from the webcam. And we're going to use advanced mode to configure additional attributes in JSON. You can read more about these in our documentation. The ones we're focused on right now are our detector names and our type, so we know what the pipeline is for our detector. You can now head to your Control tab and view your live camera streams. Let's test our webcam with no detection. And now we're testing our transform cam, and when I hold up my can, you can see it's detecting violet.